Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys app update setting in your Poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you update guys your Google Map apps. Guys you want to update guys your Google Map app guys. So as you can update and guys now let's see how to update Google Map app in our Poco phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys connect your Wi-Fi network and guys you have your mobile data so guys on it and guys you don't have so guys you can connect Wi-Fi network and guys you can update your Google Map. So first of all guys open your Play Store. So guys we will on it. Then guys after on guys you can see this your phone like your ID. So guys tap here and guys you can check from here your updates and but guys we will search direct here. So as you can search your Google. So you can see guys your Google Map and guys you can check your Google Map update guys. You can see guys we have Google Map update and guys you want to update so guys you can update from here. So guys this Google Map will update and guys you can see guys 27.55 MB update. And guys sorry for this outshot sound guys, neighbor they are making fun with their friends and guys ignore this sound. So guys your Google Map will update in your phone within guys 10 and 20 seconds. It will update automatic guys. Installing verified by Play Protect. So I hope friends have understood how to update Google Maps. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye my friends.